child a picky eater? And it's a big trouble for you people to feed your child with the nutritional requirement what the child requires. Hi everyone, this is Dr. Sonam Kothari. I'm a pediatric neurologist, a behavior analyst and a special educator. Yes, many of the kids, especially when they are on the spectrum, they are picky eaters. But the reasons why they are picky eaters might be different. The first common reason why they are picky eaters is first they have oromotor sensory issues. That means they like the texture of one particular food but they don't like the texture of another food. It usually happens with messy, soft foods which they avoid, and they kind of eat dry, hard, crisp foods and they are okay with that. So this is the first reason why the child is a picky eater. The second reason why the child is picky eater is that he doesn't like eating, which is something that is not tasty or is nutritional but it doesn't taste as good as a junk food. So basically it's a behavior that I don't want to eat it because I don't like it. The third reason is I don't know chewing. That means I am unable to chew food, and that's why I eat only foods which are soft and I can easily gulp it. These are the usual common reasons why the child is a picky eater. The interventions for all the three are different. The intervention for the first problem, where the child is a picky eater due to oromotor sensory issues. That means he is able to chew hard food but he is not eating soft foods. That means the chewing strength is very good. So the problem is not the chewing strength. The problem is he is not liking the texture of particular food. For that, the only way of making him eat different types of food is by desensitizing him in using oromotor tools. It is by using brush without vibration, brush with vibration, using fingers and using the glove on the finger and doing the massaging inside, so that the child starts accepting different types of textures in the mouth. It starts with finger, then it goes to brush without vibration, then it goes to brush with vibration. Following that, along with these exercises, you should also start putting different types of food textures in the mouth so that the child starts chewing them. These kids will also have problem in brushing, and that's how the brushing should also be initiated. All of this is mentioned in details in our OPT training kit and in our oral placement training video. The second reason, if the child is having behavioral issues, that means he doesn't eat because he doesn't like. But it's important to eat those things because they are nutritionally high quality. So in this, you have to use a behavior intervention for the child. What is the usual behavior intervention we use is first this, then that. That means a low preferred item followed by a high preferred item. I'll give a small example. Suppose the child likes chips and he doesn't eat roti sabzi. Take the roti sabzi in one plate and keep the bowl of chips with you. Now you have to tell, okay, I'll give you chips immediately once you eat this roti sabzi ka one bite. Even if he is not eating, just put the bite and immediately put the chips in his mouth. So to chew the chips, he will start chewing the roti sabzi. Once you do it multiple times, roti sabzi chips, roti sabzi chips, roti sabzi chips, he will start eating roti sabzi and chips together. Once that taste starts developing, what you need to do is put 2 bites of roti sabzi, 1 bite of chips. 2 bites of roti sabzi, 1 bite of chips. Once he is able to accept that as well, make it 3, make it 4, and finally give him, okay, once you finish this whole chapati, then you will get 5 chips. So something like that, basically a low preferred item followed by a high preferred item. If you do it consistently every time, the kid will start eating whatever you want him to eat along with his reinforcing item or along with the item what he likes. In the third problem, where the child is actually having a chewing issue, he is not able to chew, his jaw strength is not enough to chew hard items or any item that is difficult to chew. In this, again, you have to start with chewing exercises, that is using the T-tube or the the rubber loop to start the chewing exercises. Along with the chewing exercises, it has to be practically converted by putting different type of food items in the area of his molars, so that along with the chewy tube, he also starts biting the food items. Again, a detailed discussion on how to use the chewy tube is mentioned in our OPT video.